Hi there YouTube, Joe here again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a timing chain on a Nissan Qashqai 2016, so hope you stick around for the video. Thank you. Right, this is the engine we're working on. It's the early Qashqai engines. We're going to start by removing the under tray, draining the oil and removing the wheel and the wheel arch cover, and we're going to be removing the rocker cover for these pipes. Now I have all the covering off, as you can see. Those two little dials on the cam adjusters, these normally points up, but we have markings on the chain anyway that will we line up, and down onto the crank pulley there's a little dial down there that lines up with that mark. That should be how it is. So I'm just going to dismantle this chain and get a new one on. Right, just showing you the new chain. We have a mark here lined up with that groove, and we have this one over here lined up with that one. And as you can see, the pin in the crank just go under here. As you can see under there's a mark on the pulley there that's lined up with it. So that's a new chain fitted, so we're just gonna put the cover on and carry on. Alright, as you can see, front cover is back on. We're just gonna put the rocker cover on, put a new seal on that, and everything goes back on. Right, now the work's complete. I'm just going to check the operation of the engine. It seems to be running okay. I decided to do a voice over as it was a little bit loud. Just going to check for leaks and how the engine is running. Seems to be running okay, all good. Just going to go underneath and check around the crank pulley area for any leaks. As you can see, it'll all dry and clean. I'm quite happy with that. And please remember to like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.